How to move contacts to other storage location on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on contacts app. After click on contacts app, click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in contact settings, click on move contacts to other storage location. After click on move contacts to other storage location, you will see click on phone. After click on phone, select contact and click on done. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can move contact to other storage location on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.